Mr. Excel podcast is sponsored by Easy Excel. Learn Excel from Mr. Excel podcast, episode 1762, randomly distribute to 10 people. Hey, welcome back to the Mr. Excel Netcast. I'm Bill Jellin. Today's question, sent in by Earthworm82 at YouTube, has 100 rows of data and wants to distribute them among 10 people randomly. Okay, well, one way to go. Type the 10 people over here. There's my list. And then equal index. All right, the list of people. I'm going to select that list and I'm going to press F4 to put the dollar signs in. Those are really important. And then randomness. 1, comma, and then the number of people on the list. There's 10 people on the list. I'm going to hard code that right there. Control Enter and double click to copy that down. Okay, now one problem that we're going to have, anytime that you change something in this list, the whole thing's going to recalculate. So you want to copy those and paste special values. So Control C to copy, and then we'll right click and paste values. Now, it's still not going to be perfect because it's random. So some people might show up 9 times, some people might show up 11 times. Let's see just how bad it is. Insert, pivot table. We'll create it right here in an existing worksheet. And I'm going to take the assign to row labels and assign to values. Ooh, CC's going to be real upset. She only got 6 of these leads and high, and I got 14. Wow, I never would have thought it would have been that bad. All right, so that method is not going to work at all. Bam, let's get rid of it. All right, let's do this. Equal index of this list over here, F4, comma, the mod of row, comma 10 plus 1, CC, and what this should do for us is it should just give us the whole list over and over and over again. And we're actually starting there with CC, but that's okay because we should end up with Bo, and we do. All right, now this is not randomly assigning them, but what it is doing is it's making sure that everybody is in there an identical number of times. So I'm going to separate this a couple of spaces. I'm going to add a new column here called rand, equal rand, and shoot that down. This assigns everyone a random number. I'm now going to sort by that column, data A to Z. All right, so that randomly sorted everybody. I can delete this and delete these. And we now have 100 leads. Everyone is randomly assigned to a different person. And if we do the pivot table test again this time, with assign to and row labels and assign to and values, bam, everyone has exactly 10. That's the way to go. All right, well, hey, I want to thank you for stopping by. We'll see you next time for another Netcast from Mr. Excel.